And special thanks to our friends at Powerowl who were nice enough to send us their Powerowl high capacity rechargeable Powerowl ZN825E. So let's open this up and you'll see here you get 4 Powerowl AA batteries that are 2800 milliamp hours each, and you get 4 AAA batteries from Powerowl that are all 1000 milliamp hours each. And then of course you get a little USB to micro USB cable to charge up these batteries using this nice little charging brick here. So as you can see, this is an 8-bay charging brick, and it'll take both the AA's and the AAA's. And we also have a little instruction guide. So you would just plug in your micro USB cable right here, and then you'd be able to take your AA batteries and be able to take these and just positive over here, negative over here. So they would just pop into place like so. And also can take your AAA batteries and essentially do the same thing. These are able to slide in on this little lower part here, right there. And you can charge up to 8 batteries at once. If you were to get more Powerowl rechargeable AA or AAA batteries, you could recharge all 8 batteries at the same time, AA or all 8 batteries at the same time, AAA. And of course you get a little indicator light here, which I'll show you real quick. Plug this into a USB and then plug it in back here. And there you can see these are red, meaning that they're charging. These don't have anything in them, so they're not charging. But if I pop me in another battery, we'll go down here. Boom. Now that one's charging. And so that's a look at this. This is great because you never have to get AA or AAA batteries again. You're able to just take them, pop them in here, let them charge up, and then you're good to put them back in your remote or whatever device you may be using your rechargeable batteries for. So thanks again to Powerowl, who was nice enough to send these to me so I could unbox this and demonstrate it for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.